Good morning. Early in the morning, sometimes again, that's my most peaceful, early in the morning or late at night if I'm still awake. But most peaceful, calming, wrap my thoughts around the daytime. So somebody had asked me with our Agape Love Challenge, they had said, did you ever have a problem accepting God's love, recognizing it? And I said, yes, absolutely, I did. In fact, if I look back now, it was probably a series of steps, life's experiences, whether it was me putting myself into that situation or it being put on me, and life happens. So it was probably a series of them. It was probably over some time. I can't say if it was weeks, months, years. At this point, when you have accepted Him, have grown in that, accepted yourself, living your best life yet, and now wanting to pour out, it's kind of like that birth of the baby, because it's so much pain, more pain than you've ever experienced in your life. Delivering a kidney stone is probably the same, but after it's over, it's like, and then you have this beautiful blessing. Not so much with the kidney stone, but a beautiful blessing that you're not in that pain anymore. But you deliver the baby, and oh my God, the baby's here. You're not really thinking about or honing in on how many months or years or weeks. So the answer to the question is yes, I absolutely had an issue accepting God's love for many different reasons, and God has shown me that. It was over a series of events, so it was weeks, months, and it could be years, but really what it is onion layers being taken off in your life. Onion layer after onion layer after onion layer. So I guess the moral of the story is it's a journey. It's not a sprint. This Agape Love Challenge is really meant to be a journey. Your new life journey, or your revisited journey to revitalize you. Revisit again if you have had it before. So it could be everybody's at a different part in their journey, but this is a journey. And even though I have a chronic disease that can affect my life daily, it can affect it greatly some days, I really still am living my best life yet. Why? Mentally and emotionally, and being reconnected to me, being connected to me, being connected to God. So life is still going to throw you things. Life is still going to have hiccups and challenges and those days and those things that you have to go through, like I'm going through, but I can literally say I'm living my best life yet. So really, that's why out of that overflow, I love to help people on their journey. So remember, it's not a sprint, it's a journey. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.